Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. How are you doing today? I hope and pray that everyone's doing good, managing their fasting, taking care of COVID-19 and being safe. It's a time in our life that hopefully we'll never have to experience again. But with the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we are going to get through this. Inshallah, we are going to get through this. Now, I'd like to welcome you to my channel. For all of you that are part of my journey already, I thank you for being here. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Your love and your support means a lot, and it's very heartwarming. And for those of you that are visiting for the first time, welcome. Welcome to my channel. I hope you like what you see. I hope you'll stick around. And I hope at the end of this, you'll press the subscribe button. Please do. Subscribe to my channel so you will never miss another video from Hijabz&You and me. Today, I've got this. It's a simple look. It's a beautiful scarf. I want to show you how I've used the same scarf to put together a few different looks. And this is just simply beautiful. It's very fast, very easy, very on the go. If you feel like spicing it up on a day, you just put on a little bit of a, a bit of a fancier. It's got some blings in it. It's gorgeous, 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 beautiful scarf. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So what I've done is I'm going to put together a few different way of wearing the scarf. It's a shawl. It's a rectangular shawl, and it's chiffon with some spiciness to it. Okay, so I'd like to show you how I've done this. It's very easy. It's a few different ways of styling your hijab, and hopefully we'll get to that. But before I go into the details of the tutorial, I'd like to say this to you. We're getting down to the end of Ramadan. We're in the last 10 already. Can you believe it? It's almost over. So my dear viewers, it is my duty to remind us all the importance of these last 10 nights. Everything that we do in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the benefits is bountiful. It's immense. There is no comparison. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised us. And it's not like you and me. If we promise, sometimes we go back on our promises. No, this is coming from our Creator who has promised us. Let's look for the Laylatul Qadr night. Let's look for the night of power. The night that has every possibility of being forgiven for any mistakes we've made. Because we are sinners. We are, whether it be little sins, big sins, we are sinners. So we need to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for His forgiveness. And what better time than these last 10 nights of Ramadan. So please, my dear viewers, let's look for the night of Qadr. Let's please look for it. It doesn't matter. They say it's the odd nights. Make every night the night of Qadr in your heart, in your intention. And do your ibadah, do your prayers, your zikr, your tahajjud, your extra, whatever you choose to do, with the intention that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will accept it and forgive us for our shortcomings. So please, each and every one of you out there that are looking at my video, I'm asking you and imploring you that if you haven't done so already, it's not too late. It's not the start what matters. It's the finish. It's like, you have your life and you've lived life and you've made whatever mistakes and however you've lived life. But at the end of your life, if you're able to reach Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah is very merciful. He promised to forgive us for our shortcomings, but we have to seek it. We ask, He will give it to us. So please, my dear sisters, my viewers, please, let's look for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's look for Him and He will come to us. We just have to go a little bit and He comes a very long, long, long way to us. So make that effort, my dear viewers. We can't say, okay, you know, maybe I've missed it, you know, I didn't start off okay, I didn't fast, you know, I missed my prayers. You still have time. From this moment, from the moment you're looking at me and listening to me, you still have time to make that effort to reach Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Put your head down in your sujood and beg for his forgiveness, because he's ever forgiving. And look to fill up the bucket. Fill it up. Let it be overflowing, because it's never too much. You know, when you seek Allah's mercies, it's never too much. So we must continue to always seek his mercies. And which better time than in the month of Ramadan, the last 10 nights of Ramadan. I mean, we're already in there, but we still have time to capitalize on what's left of the last few nights. So as much as, you know, I get excited and I talk about Eid and Eid mood, let's talk about Laylatul Qadr night today. Please, my dear viewers, it's important. We must make the best use of these last nights that are left of Ramadan. I'm sorry if I'm coming across a bit strong, but it's important. It is my duty to tell myself and tell you as my viewers, because I'm here on a platform that I'm here to help my sisters. And this is part of helping us. We need to do this for ourselves. Please, it is important. So before I get into my tutorial, I'm going to end this by saying, every ounce of effort counts. Every ounce of effort will be rewarded. Please, my viewers, we may not see it right away, but you know, it's being taken. A toll of it is being taken for us. Because when we leave this world, we're not going with anything. Not the fancy scarf or the fancy jewelry. No. It is what we have done to prepare for the other part of this journey. So please, at this moment, this very moment, let's make effort to do our best to capitalize on what is left of Ramadan. And then we have every right to get dressed up and, you know, cook nice food and eat and celebrate, because we have made even the slightest of effort to reach our Creator. Inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for each one of us. Each one of us, may he make it easy for us to get closer to him. Closer to him, even with a fraction of an inch, to get closer to him. And as we start, day by day, it will get better. You know, if we're able to strengthen our iman, and when we leave this dunya, when we leave this world, we have 𝗨 𝗓𝗏 Muhammadur Rasulullah on this tongue, we would have done our bit here. So I implore you, make the best of what's left. And now I'm going to get you into this tutorial to show you how I got this really beautiful look. So bear with me, and thank you for listening. Thank you for being part of my sermon today. I really appreciate that, and I hope you appreciate it coming from me. Please take it for what it is. It's just a sister imploring her other sisters, you're my viewers, for us, myself and yourself, for us to do better for ourselves in this world, making it better for the 𝗪𝗁. Let's get into the tutorial. I will attempt to show you that look. It's a beautiful look, it's a simple look, and this is a very quick tutorial today. Not too much talking, not too much engaging with you, because I want to show you how quick it is to get this look. It's fabulous, it's quick, it's easy, it's chiffon, it's got some nice blings on the ends, look at that. It's got some tassels. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, and we're going to do this in 2 minutes, really. Absolutely just 2 minutes. So all I have on today is my Ninja. It's a blue, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it keeps everything in place, and all we're going to do is, it's a rectangular scarf. And because it's a bit of a see-through, it's awesome that the Ninja is on because that has full coverage. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're doing a very quick wrap. Put some pressure here, fold it over. Okay, I want to make sure it's even. Just make sure it's even, okay? And we're going to put a stick pin there. Sorry, I say stick pin, but it's a safety pin. We're just going to put one of these here. Remember, it's a fast, easy tutorial today. Quick and easy, okay? Now, all we're going to do is hold that. And because it's got this really fancy here, I would like to leave that there. So all I'm doing, I'm leaving this end here, and I'm just going to put a pin here. That's it. I'm just going to put a stick pin here to keep that in place. And I've got one to match, one with the pearl ends. And all I'm going to do is put it there, make sure it's in place, and we have a beautiful look in less than 2 minutes. The fancy scarf is sitting in front, and you have coverage in the back, and I will show you what we have in the back because it's just fabulous. It's great. It's awesome. It's simple, very simple. All we did was put the hijab on here, fold it in, put your safety pin, and you just wrap it. Simple wrap, it falls beautiful, and you have got a pretty scarf sitting in front. Now I will attempt to show you another 2 minutes of a design, what we can do. This is pretty, just sitting there with full coverage, and you've got it's just gorgeous. Now we can attempt to show another design the same way we started out, but what we're going to do is we're going to just give it a wrap here. We're just going to give it a wrap here so that this beautiful design of the scarf is sitting in front, and we're just going to put a stick pin right here, right here. Remember, you have your Ninja on, so it's easy to put the pin on without having to worry about it. So we've got a pin there, and you've got all this beautiful scarf just sitting right there. It's so beautiful, so pretty. I hope you would agree with me that that's beautiful. It falls nicely. We don't need no fuss. One pin, fold it across. We've got a stick pin over here, and you've got this beautiful fabric sitting here, and you've got full coverage, and it is gorgeous. It's chiffon with some, fancy little stones on it, and it is absolute. It's Ramadan, it's Eid time coming up soon. We can dress up for our home. It's all right, even if we're not going anywhere. It's nice to get yourself a little bit dressed up, right? We deserve it. We're fasting. We need to feel good about ourselves. And you, my sisters, it's easy, it's simple, and that's my intention, to bring this to you very easy and very simple. So now we've got 2 so far. Let's attempt to do number 3. And these are all 2 minutes. All 2 minutes. You've got your pin there. You've folded in here. Remember, it's got the Ninja and it's chiffon, and the Ninja it's holding on, like it's keeping the hijab in place. So now instead of, we're just going to bring it like that. Remember, I'm trying to keep the fancy of the scarf to show, so we're going to put a pin here, right here. I'm going to take a little stick pin and put it right here. So now I've got that beautiful tassel just sitting over here. Now, if we want this, we don't want that to show, we're going to put that inside for now, for this portion of the tutorial, just to show you how beautiful that is. How gorgeous it is. It's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Look at that. It's beautiful. And it's just a little bit of playing around with what you have. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. And all we have is a safety pin or one stick pin. And you've got that. Look at how the tassels are sitting so beautifully. And the scarf, the color is so beautiful. So beautiful. I hope you're enjoying it so far. We've got, what, 3 different designs so far, styles, and same scarf. So now let's attempt to do just one more. Just one more. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to shorten this end a little bit, just a tiny bit. And same fold. Put some pressure here. And fold it in. Put your safety pin. Put your safety pin there. And what we're going to do is just going to bring it around. And have it, instead of sitting up here, it's going to sit here. I really like that. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I think the color is so beautiful. Oh my, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's sitting so nicely. Got an extra piece of string there. I don't want to, just in case I'm going to cut that. But look at this. Look at how gorgeous that is. Please tell me that you like that. Leave a comment. Let me know that you like that. See that? Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? And all we have is one safety pin. That's it. It's gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Take a look at it. Now, if you wanted to have that little bit of a design on the top, we can always put one of these little pins. You can pull that up there. And just pin it here. Just pull it a little bit. And pin it there. So it has pulled it up a little bit, give it a little design there. I think it's absolutely beautiful, 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 beautiful. Tell me that you like it. Please leave a comment, let me know. The color is absolutely beautiful. You know, I get excited over this because I'm enjoying bringing it to you. And when it comes out, you know, when you try to put a style together and it's so simple and so easy and you get this result, you feel good about it. And I'm feeling good about it that I can bring it to you. So I hope you're enjoying this with me. Tell me that you are enjoying it. Please leave me a comment in the bottom. Let me know your thoughts on this. Okay? Now, I think I'm done with this scarf for today. I think we've gotten quite a few different styles out of it. And it's all simple, beautiful, elegant, gorgeous, easy, quick, very quick. And that's the intention, you know, making it easy for you, making it easy for you to not have to have a fuss with it. You know, if you're rushing, if you have to go and you're rushing, this is so easy to get done. A simple wrap. That's it. Well, my dear, I hope you enjoy that. And I hope you like what you're seeing. So if you do like what you're seeing, please do press the like button. And share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button and press the all so that you'll never miss another video from Hijabz&You and 𝗪𝗁. Stay safe until we meet again. Take care of yourselves. This is 𝗪𝗁 saying Assalamu Alaikum.